Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi, and welcome back to my series 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to do a couple of Half Sun Salutations, just kind of a warm-up. So grab your mat and let's get started. So we'll start in mountain pose. Feet can be together or hip width apart. Arms down by your side, your palms can face forward. We inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale as you bring them out and down, coming into a forward fold. Inhale, coming into a half forward fold. Your hands can be beside your shins or your tips can be on the mat. Create a neutral spine. Exhale, coming back down to a forward fold. Bend the knees, bring the arms out and up. Inhale. Exhale, arms out and down. This time we're going to add side bends into it. So inhale, the arms out and up. On the exhale, grab hold of the right wrist, reach over. The left wrist, reach over to the right. And then inhale as you come back up. Exhale, grab the right wrist, reach over to the left. Inhale as you come back up. Exhale as you bring the arms out and down, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, neutral spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and all the way up. Exhale, arms down. This time we're going to add the back bend in with it. So bring the arms out and up. Inhale. Exhale as you grab the left wrist, reach over to the right. Inhale back up to center, grab hold of the right wrist, reach over to the left. Inhale. Then you're going to exhale and reach the chest up, reach the arms back. Come into a mini back bend. You may hear a few pops here from your back. That's okay. Inhale, coming back up. Exhale as we come down into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees, bring the arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. This time we're going to add chair in. This will be our last flow. So inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale as you grab hold of the left wrist and reach over to the right. Inhale back up. Exhale, grab hold of the right wrist. Reach over to the left. Inhale back up. This time you're going to reach backward, coming into your back bend. Inhale back up. Exhale, you're going to sit into your chair pose. Take an inhale. Exhale as you fold. Inhale, half forward fold, neutral spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bring the arms out and all the way up. Exhale, hands down by your side. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the bell for notifications. Remember that all of these sequences are designed so that you can build upon each other. You can kind of make up your own sequence. You can do a couple of videos at a time. So go back and check out the other videos that I've done so far and make up your own sequence. And I will see you guys in my next video.